Chaton, chaton bleu, swish your pretty tail.
Oh no, it seems like that you have parted the high meows. Piracy is a serious crime according to the copyright law. For more information, go to www.thehighmeows.com and TP Rising for your own safety. Is clear that you turn off your TV. You have 5 chances. Oh, you didn't turn off your TV. You now you lost a chance. You now have 4 chances left. Please turn off your TV. We'll use another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us again. Come on. Alright, 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your TV. Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us again? Really? You are making us mad, and you really like us when we get mad. 3 more chances. Turn off your TV. Okay. You're really starting to get on a last chance. Last chance. I swear, this is last chance. You don't off your TV in next 5 seconds. You're gonna like that happen next. That's it. I asked for this. Wow!